The giveaway beam is done. Now, if you saw the video on how to lower your bug for free, this is the same beam that we started on. We cut and twist the center.
Yes.
But we've also done a second video, which is not out yet, coming soon, of
narrowing. We narrowed this 2 inches, an inch on each side, so the shocks will still work. And basically the same thing. You have to watch the video to see how we did it.
Yeah.
It's an easy way to do it.
watch all the videos.
Yes.
So we're giving it away. If you watch the first video, you know that. We're giving this beam away to somebody who needs it, wants it, whatever. But there's a couple things. You've got to comment in both videos, and you have to be a subscriber. And then what we're going to do, we're going to pick, randomly pick with a computer-generated picker. Sounds weird.
The picker.
It's a picker. We're going to pick someone from each video, and then we will flip a coin for between the two, and hopefully not get the same person in both videos. I don't think that'll happen. You never know.
If that happens, they win.
They win.
Done.
They want to do a flip.
Don't
Coin
have to
flip.
we can flip it anyways.
So, also, when we do pick it, is going to be, we figured 500 subscribers, which is right around the corner for us, and I would guess around 2 weeks after this next video, the follow-up video for the, what's it called?
Narrowing.
No.
How to lower your bug for free.
So there's a follow-up video, which is this one here coming up, which is not titled yet. It's going to be something like we're narrowing the beam for free. I don't know. Anyway, so and we'll do that drawing. It'll be when we hit 500 subs, and then we'll do that video of drawing it. We're going to do a video of that. It'll be live, but it'll be live to tape, so to speak. Not that we use tape. So, and also, if you haven't seen that first video, I'll put a card right above Ryan's head, and a link in the description as well. As far as getting the beam to you, don't really want to pay to ship it. If you want to pay to ship it, that's cool. We'll figure something out there. But we're going to be at a couple shows coming up here fairly soon, which we're going to be at we'll be at the Bug Jam in Florida and Slam Fest in Tampa, Florida.
It's coming up.
We might be going to a show in North Carolina in October. Not sure on that one yet. That's possible.
The B-Dub Factory is going to have another get-together up there, so if it's done by then.
Yeah, we can always get up to the VW Factory, not too far from us. And is there any other notes in here we can... Nope.
That's pretty much it.
Pretty much it. So
this is a beam for a ball joint car, so it's 66 and up Beetle, Karma Ghia are a thing. You know, to lower it, it's narrowed 2 inches, or not. I'm sorry, lowered 2 inches and narrowed 2 inches. So
you want to lower your thing?
you might want to lower your thing.
That's weird. Time to go now. Oh boy. So watch for the follow-up video on this one coming up in about a week, and hope you win.
Good luck.